When we returned from Ngezi, we had a meeting with the head coach regarding various issues around the team, its performance, and what we thought were issues that needed to be attended to. We received from the coach a letter in which he articulated what he viewed were reasons for the team's performance or misperformance. We, as the burden of leadership will require, we had of course to cross-reference these issues with various other members of the technical team, and this resulted in assistant coach UAmin Soma Phiri resigning from work this afternoon. He wrote a letter to us, which he delivered himself, where he articulated his greatest disappointment over the results of the team, and his desire to allow the team to progress, even if it meant it was progressing without him. He, as a son of Highlanders, wished to step aside and allow for the head coach, who felt that he was working against his progress, to then continue and show what he can do without the sordid interference from Coach UAmin Soma Phiri. I will hastily point out that we had a very amicable conversation. He wished to deal with it in a very simple way, step back, have no issues, have no undertones, have no bad feelings. So there are no bad feelings with the club, because as far as he's concerned, he's the son of Highlanders. He can be redeployed at any point when the club decides that they need his services.